Alright, what is up everyone and everybody? Welcome back to another card unboxing video. Finally getting back to these. Probably have noticed that there's a big gap between uploading. I said I was going to get these all done. And here I am like a month later, finally getting to the second stack. These ones are the ones I believe, let me remember here, oh yeah, from Theory11. So I already went through all of the ones I believe from what is it, Elephant Playing Cards. If you haven't checked out those videos, they're on the channel. Go check them out. Maybe if I'm smart, I might be able to figure out how to put one like right there or right there. I don't know. I'll figure out those cards one of these days when I get real professional about this stuff. Anyways, today we are checking out. We're going to try and get all of these uploaded in one shot because I don't know what is going on, but they just keep reading. That's a whole nother, I want to say that's like another 12 cards boxes in there, and then there's like 4 or 5 in there, and then I didn't actually send one back that I was supposed to, that I wasn't going to open because it's kind of a collector's edition, but since I have one that's it's already not in mint condition, we're going to open it up and take a look at it too. Hopefully we can get through all of that in the next day or so. But yeah, so today we got these two, and then we're going to probably take a look, peeking ahead at the next videos. We're going to take a look at these two in the next video. And then we got these two guys. They're not very themed together, but I'm just going to try and plow through all these videos. So those two aren't exactly themed. And then I have 2 that I am going to have to save. You're going to have to wait and watch the last video of this series before I hit the next set over there. Once I do hit that next set, yeah, whatever, you'll see. That's when I'll probably do the collector, non-collector condition collector's edition. Non-collectible condition collector's edition. Anyways, without any further ado, enough rambling, let's go ahead and take a look at these guys. I'm not going to spoil it too much, but I am going to spoil it here real quick. They are the same faces. In fact, pretty much the same exact cards. Just the back color is different. But with that being said, let's go and take a look here. This is the dark side. Can't get my camera to focus. Come on, focus. Oh, well, it doesn't like being this close. I've got it zoomed in just a little bit, and it doesn't like it. I'm going to try and adjust this white balance just a little bit. Hey. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Not much better. Still focus. Just not want to focus on that at all. Alright, let me try to focus on that. Hey, there it goes. Get to the next camera lap. It's like I'm right on the edge. There we go. Alright, well, if I do that, and I pull it back just a little bit. Sorry. Please, one moment for technical adjustments. Just angle this up just a little bit more so I can actually hold this out. Hey, there we go. Now you can actually see it. Nice and focus. Sweet. I like it. Okay. This is also the first video. I do these videos on my phone just because it's easier. It's portable. It's right there. And honestly, this phone has a nice camera for it. I gotta say. Kudos to my phone maker. It's actually part of the reason why I went with this phone. I'm not going to plug it. If you really want to know, you can message me or comment, and I'll comment what it is. But I'm really impressed, need to say. All right, how do I open this thing? Sorry, I also want to apologize. I slept in quite late, and then didn't do much of anything until about an hour ago. And then I chugged half of an energy drink and cleaned the house. And now the energy drink is actually hitting me. So, apologize for all the fast talk. I don't know why I took that off. You know what? See what's like that back on there. Shh, let it come off. Just want to take the top off. Wait, hold on, we smooth. And we not smooth. There we go. Alright, one corner. Press the other up. Come on. I don't know why I took it off. I don't know if I'm going to get it back on. I'm not going to mess with it too much longer. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Damn it. Excuse my language. Sorry. Frustration. Alright, if I'm very careful, we can set that aside, and I'll mess with it later and see if I can't slide her back on. But, alright, I need an X-Acto knife. Convenient. Always be careful with your knives. I really need to replace this one. Good lord, do you see how dull that is? You probably can't. Anyways, we are going to very very carefully cut this seal, because that is a nice seal, and I don't want to ruin it. Come on, here it goes. Nice clean cut there. Cleanish. Kind of give it a shake. God, why does it always do that to me? Okay, easy, easy. Only a little scuff. All right, here we go. Here we go. Star Wars playing cards. Oh, we didn't even look at the box. Hold on, getting ahead of ourselves. So there's, I guess, what the back looks like. On the top, presumably says the force is strong with this one, but you can't see because, of course, the sticker's there. Playing cards there. It says the power of the dark side. And now I am the master. So, I mean, that's cool. The box is definitely different. Disney, LucasArts, Theory11 premium playing cards. Ha! Alright, I like it already. I haven't actually... I peeked at it on the site. So I kind of already know what the face cards look like, but I haven't actually looked at them. And I like this already. The fact that BB-8 and... what is that, BD-9? BD-0? BD-1? I don't remember. Oh my god. He was that unimportant in the last film. That's cool. Those are the Jokers. That's awesome. Alright. A little X-Wing action. I like it. On the ace. Oh, here's the back. I forgot to look at the actual back. Oh wow, okay. What is that? Just token card. Alright, so there is the back. Check out that detail. You got the basic script. I believe that's what it's called. Basic. Is that what they speak? Yes. Or Arabesh. I don't quite remember. But, so yeah, so that's the back. Alright, back to the front. Got in. If you get that reference, you are a true legend. These are cool. Alright, I like them. Basic, very basic. Okay, right there. Oh, Jack. Boba Fett is the Jack of Spades. Queen, of course, is Amidala. And Anakin, aka Darth Vader. It's nice, legit, okay. Slave 1, there's the Ace of Diamonds. Okay, that's legit. Very basic markings on the numeral cards. Is that supposed to be Lando? Is that who that is? I'm guessing that's Lando. I could be wrong. Oh my god, somebody's gonna need a comment in the comments and believe you freaking idiot. How can you not know that's okay, it might be Lando, or it might be somebody from Row 1. Is that supposed to be? Okay, that's Rey. Yeah. And of course, that's old Luke. Palpatine, of course. Admiral. Oh my gosh. She's like the most important admiral in the Battle of Endor, other than Akbar. I can't remember her name either. All right, so if you know her name, comment down below, because I am going to hand in my badge as a Star Wars fan, because I don't know. Oh, I'm going to have to look it up. It's going to drive me nuts. I can't look it up right now. We're watching a video, or recording a video. So, all right. And of course, Kylo Ren. All right. Okay, what was the, oh, no. Okay, let's take a quick look. Vader's fighter for the ace there. That's cool. Alright. Obi-Wan killing himself. Sorry, Obi-Wan is the Suicidal King. That's somehow fitting. Somehow very fitting. And then, I'm assuming that's Leia? Yeah. And then, of course, Han. That's also fitting. There's the hearts. And I'm gonna... What do you want to bet, guys? Millennium Falcon? Millennium Falcon. Hey, at least I called one right. That's cool. I like that. All right. And then, of course, playing cards designed by Theory11. Nice. Creates the world's finest playing cards. Perfect gift. Amazing piece of art. The ultimate high-end luxury cards. So, that is that. You know what? I'm going to actually go to skip opening the other one. I'm just going to upload this one as it is. If I can clean them all up. Just because I'm going to keep one in the cellophane. Why not, right? There's no need. You know what it looks like. We will take a quick look at the box though. So this one here says, you know, may the force be with you. And why did I do it that way? Let's flip it this way. There we go. And then luminous beings are we. Oh. Was that? That was the new Admiral, wasn't it? That's from the new movies. Oh my goodness, my quotes are all off. I hate myself. And then let's see if I can figure out what that's supposed to say. Do or do not, there is no try. I tell literally 2 letters, 3 letters, I can tell you what the code is. Do or do not. There's actually 4 letters. I guess that's a T there. So do or do not, there is no try. That's cool. All right, and then the back, yeah, just take this back, wash it blue. It's the same. So thank you for checking out this video. Stick around. The next video up is going to be actually 2 decks this time instead of just 1 with the teaser of the other pack. But no sense in making this one any longer than it needs to be. You get the gist of it, and there's no sense in opening this pack if I don't need to. I can keep it kind of collectible. So again, next up we're going to be taking a look at these 2. This is the Bicycle Synthesis and the Bicycle Steampunk. They are very themed together, so I figured we'd put them in a video next. So just stick around, it should be up in the next playlist. Thanks for checking out this video. If you like it. Yeah, want to do all that stupid YouTube stuff, I'd appreciate it. Make me kind of keep inspired to keep making these videos. Heck, the one comment that I got was basically the reason why I decided to actually keep doing these videos again and actually not keep putting them off. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.